Most glorious morning to all of you. Welcome very warmly Alapsia's online class. Dear students, it is well known that revision time has been over. Now you are at the point of attending very recently examination, and it's my expectation all of you will be preparing every chapter of the subject very deeply in order of gaining maximum mark. Few examination instructions are being delivered by me what you have to follow during your examination. Dear students, first of all, on behalf of me, along with Alapsius, you should have a separate room if it is possible, and there you should arrange a table and chair. On the table only urgently required academic material what you need as a pad, pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen. Excepting this, you should have neither any type of books nor copy on your table. It is strictly prohibited to touch any book or copy during that time. Try to understand. This is your copy. Here you will write your name, father name, subject, section, class. After this, leaving few space, you should start your answer. You should start your answer. There is no need to write any question in your answer sheet. Only you have to present answer very clearly. Yes, writing should be neat and clean. As many times I have told you, writing is the mirror of the education. Mirror of getting maximum mark. Handwriting is the mirror of getting maximum mark in the examination. There should be no overwriting, and use of whitener is strictly prohibited. Eraser should be used very lightly, not forcefully. The last page, parent signs should be put. Parent signs should be put. And after completing your answer sheet, you will keep in provided envelope. Don't keep question paper, booklet. Now, With each instruction, I am expecting that you will perform your best. And on behalf of me, best of luck. Thanks.